like a mount. It's like an island, isn't it? A mountain with a sea around or an island.
Look at waterfall.
Or like a white volcano.
Look, it's the water.
So we're just going to bring it, work it all together.
I can't find it anywhere.
What are you looking for?
A white.
Oh, you want me to wipe my hands when I'm done? Okay, I will do. Let's see what happens first, see if we need to put any more water in or if that was enough. So it's clumping together quite nicely actually. I think we might put a little dash of water in, but not too much more because it does stick together. So we just need to keep working it. Okay, so we're just going to put a little dash more water in. Off you go. Like pouring the water. Just a little bit, there it is. Okay, and that should be plenty. If it is too much, if it all goes a bit squidgy, then we'll just have to put a bit more flour back in. So I've worked it all together. I think it looks pretty good, but it is quite damp after we put that extra bit of water. So I think I'd probably be tempted to just dust a little bit of flour onto it, because otherwise it might just kind of stick to the things that we're trying to mould. I'm not much of a pastry maker, but I imagine it's the same sort of theory, because it is quite nice and pliable. But yeah, just a little light dusting of flour, I think, to stop any sticking. And obviously it needs to dry as well at some point, so I guess that's easier to do if it's a bit of a drier dough. Quite what I had in mind. You're doing your T-Rex for Rex, aren't you? Or I think you might have done it in two different places there. Try popping it in this one. Let's just get that a bit flatter. Okay, just press it down once. That's it. And let me have a little look. Okay. Quite aggressive pressing this morning. Give it a wiggle. Oh, he's stuck. Yeah.
Oh no, my phone!
We're going to do a big footprint.
What?
Yeah, wow. Squish, squish, squish. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Oh, great noises. Stuck. Foot stuck. Okay. So, after some trial and error, I have found that a good thing to do is to kind of put your oven on at a sort of mid-temperature. I'll put it under 160. And then basically turn it off and then put the things in. So yeah, so just pop them in there. It's kind of nice and warm, but not too hot. And then sort of kind of forget about them, but you know, always keep an eye on things. You made?
I'm not finished yet.
You're not finished yet. What are they?
Snowman, and I'm almost finished my last one.
Oh, okay.
Here. Yeah. I have a yeah. No, you threw me off. Hey. Oh, squishy.
I've managed to extract a little bit of the dough off them because they're still just having a jolly good time playing with that. Oh, what have we got now? This one's got something. What have you got? A rolling pin. Okay, you're going to roll it. We're doing some rolling. Okay, you can just pat it down and do some smashing over here.
Say again.